Watch. I got a little story for you. That's how I'm going to do this. I got a story for you. You see my fancy hat? It's a welding hat. This project has got me back to inspired a little bit, and I do them from time to time, but it takes you back to where your roots of where you started. And when I was 19 or 20 or 18, I don't freaking know, I was in a shop, machine shop / weld shop, building dam gates, whatever. I learned a lot of stuff. You hear me say old schoolers, and I learned a lot from the old schoolers. And there was one guy in particular here in this town I live in, and I learned a lot from. He was crazy. He was crazy as a bat. I just, anyways, see this hat? His mom, old Ma Weasel, used to make these hats. And they owned a tavern up here called the Lumberjack, of all things. And of course I couldn't go in there until I was 21, but I did anyways, you know how that goes. For soda, before work. Because her son, who was my age then, was a good trainer, teacher, blah, blah, blah. She made these hats for him for years and years and years. And well, this one was made by well, it wasn't made by her, but I probably got 40 of them in the house. And I thought, I'm going to bring them back out, because this project brought back some good memories and got me going into that old nostalgic thing. And she would buy material for a dress. She'd have it all laid out on the pool table in there, and she would cut up whatever was left, and she'd make hats for the welders around town. And so that's how I got a whole box of hats from old Ma Weasel. She's long since been passed, and her son has passed too. But that's my little story. So if you see me wearing odd hats from now on, but you'll see some really odd hats that I have in colors, and they're really colorful like she was. So just thought I'd share that a little bit with you. Okay, so I'm going to show you this thing. Watch. Okay, I'm back with the finale. There she is, all painted up. I don't know if you really want to look at it. It's so nice and shiny. It looks like brand new. The plating worked really well. I painted it last night. She's nice. So everything turned out really, really well. I'm going to get behind this camera now and show you this side from a distance. Yeah, I'm really happy. Really happy. It turned out really clean. Maybe you can attribute that to my old school experience. I don't know. Oops, I hit something here. Anyways, that's how she rolls. She's done. Ready to roll the wheels back underneath it Monday and get the crane put back on, and got one more one more thing to do on it, but hopefully she'll be done in a couple days and out of here. Then we got to get these guys all rolling. Okay. Thanks for watching.